This is Vicki Hemingway Hofel, the founder of the Parenting on Track program. I developed this program as a result of becoming a mother for the first time. I wanted something that focused on developing a healthy relationship with my kids and not learning the latest discipline strategies. I did want strategies. I just wanted to make sure that they were respectful, they empowered my children, and they worked whether my kids were 2 or 7 or 10 or 18. I hope that you find this program helpful. Use the chapters as a way to discover more about yourself, your children, and your family dynamics. Use the strategies that we've presented to you as a way to build stronger and healthier and more respectful relationships with your children. Remember that we have 2 purposes. 1, for you to enjoy your kids while they're with you and they're young, and to also make sure that our kids are adequately trained, have become responsible young people, so that when they leave our houses at 18, they throw those doors open and walk into their lives with enthusiasm and confidence. Remember to go slow. Change happens over time. So if you have a frustrating week, just stop. Go back, revisit the lesson, decide what seems reasonable for you and your family, and take another stab at it. Things won't always go well, but they will get better. So have a great time, and let's get started.